In this video, I will show you best cryptocurrency trading 2021. I have tested 40 plus crypto brokers. You can find the best cryptocurrency broker below. This is by far the easiest way to get started with cryptocurrencies. Trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash is now easier than ever. There are many cryptocurrencies brokers that have these cryptocurrencies on their platform. Cryptocurrency trading has become really popular in the past years. It's growing more every year. Many big trading brokers have already added some of these cryptocurrencies. Everybody can sign up and start trading Bitcoin or other crypto coins. This is the easiest and probably the simplest way to invest in cryptocurrency. After trying out, most brokers have the best cryptocurrency brokers. Best cryptocurrency broker non-US trader only. Plus 500 is a big name in the trading industry. They have a really low minimum deposit requirement and a great trading site. Buy sell CFDs on Bitcoin in addition to buy stock, commodities, forex, etc. Trade only through CFDs. Plus 500 is the most complete trading platform. Plus 500 pros. Trade CFDs on Bitcoin and many other cryptos. Minimum deposit is only $100. If you don't want to make a hug initial investment, then IQ option is the best broker for you. The minimum deposit requirement is only $10. This is by far the lowest in the industry. Open account requirement. You can trade many cryptocurrencies. Minimum deposit is only $10. Best trading platform, multiple account currencies, free demo account, regulated by CYE eToro is a really popular trading site. They have been around since 2006. eToro is regulated by CYCES and FCA and ACIC. Buy sell Bitcoin on eToro is addiction to buying stocks, commodities, forex, etc. eToro is the most complete trading platform. If you have eToro's pros, open account requirement, trade Bitcoin and many other cryptos. Minimum deposit is $200. Regulated and trusted platform. Australian traders are also accepted. Great support team. Many payment method, even PayPal. Hilo is an Australian trader brokers. AFSL number 364264. What I like most about is broker is a innovative platform. Is it is so easy to use, especially new traders will like the clean layout. If you have been using Hilo of a few years now and I never had a problem. Hilo publishes their number of trade on the homepage. Are the millions of traders on this broker each month. I use the main platform which is best. This means that you don't have a download any software. This platform is settable and safe. They use SSL. I have also tried two iOS app and the Android app. They are great, but I just don't like trading on smartphone in general. The payouts on Hilo are amazing, up to 2000%, which is more than on other brokers. Hilo is great brokers of cryptocurrencies, but only if you are not from UK, EU, US. They have a good reputation, great support team, and awesome promotion of new traders. How to choose your cryptocurrency brokers? Here leverage really necessary. Cryptocurrency market are volatile in nature with prices speculative immensely, thereby generative high profit even in the absence of leverage. But for some traders the desire for more earning justify the use of leverage. Before using before choosing your broker, settle yourself on whether the already immense profit that come from the cryptocurrency market are enough for you, or you would like to use leverage to enhance them even further, bearing in mind of course that will also significantly increase the risk factor to your funds. Negative balance protection. It is always advisable to trade with a broker that offers the negative balance protection facility. That way, you will never to at risk of losing more than what you invested in case you sustain very heavy losses. How suitable is a requirement capital for you? This is another subjective part to your decision. Do you prefer trading with a small capital or bigger one of the help you zero is in on bigger return? Find out what size trade your brokers is offering before you open an account. Narrow spread from the for the win. Let us be honest. It is only fair that your broker get a cut from the money you generate, having provided you with the essential facilities for it and all. But let us be honest, you definitely want every last dime for yourself. I spirit refer to the difference between the buying price and selling price of a trade and varies with each brokers. The spread is what count as fees for your broker, so the smaller it is, the lower the cost will be on your part. If your choice is a prominent cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, official sites Litecoin official site and Ethereum official site, there will be a relatively broad availability of brokers that have trading option of those. However, less prevalent example like Monero, IOTA and Zcash may be little harder to come by. Go into what accepted you as trader must consider when choosing a broker to trade cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.